So now as an exercise, let's start from scratch. Let's start a new level, empty level, with a, or let's do the basic one. This one only has the lights and the floor, so let's delete the floor. And as an exercise, start using these pieces and just build something. No thoughts. Just build. Just get a feel for the tools. So for example, we put this wall here, and then we can do an archway. And make sure you have the grid enabled for most of the time, just to get usage working with the grid. So just let your imagination flow, and this is not going to be your map. I just want you to get familiar with using these settings. Sorry, these tools. Like move things around, scale them. Maybe we can make a little tower here. So see how easy it is to build this. Like if you were building this in Maya, it's very hard to get this level of ease. And yeah, let's place a floor. At all times, you should have a scale reference model in the scene as well, because that helps inform the scale. Like look how much different it looks like once you have a model there. And as I said before, always make sure to play, because then you can judge the scale. And if you press F11, you get into full screen. And it's very easy to build with this method. Like try to have some platforms. Just get a really good feel for it. Like play around with these tools and create different shapes. You see, like here we have to reduce the grid, so we hit the bracket key and then bam, fits perfectly. And then we can put a floor on top. Changing the grid size. Now we have to move this down, and we change the grid size again, bracket key, and now they're gonna fit. So you see, that's the beauty of using the right grid step. And get used to changing the grid step. You see how I'm using the bracket keys and I'm going from big to small. For most of the time you wanna work on the grid of 1 or 4. It's rare that you're gonna wanna work on these small grids, because it gets more annoying to match stuff. So just try to work from big to small, like reduce when you have to, but work with a bigger grid. And now if you, for example, you want to add a tunnel there, look how easy it is. You can just move the things around. Scale, duplicate, and let's use a different color for this. So we can use the brown here. Just let your imagination go wild. Anyone can do this. Very easy. You see how I showed you how to do that in just a few minutes. And we can play this map at any time. And then we get a feel for it. Looking around. Yeah, so for this chapter, just spend as long as you want building something. It doesn't have to be something that makes sense, but just get a really good feeling for these tools. And then I'll see you in the next chapter. Yep, that's pretty much it. Have fun with it, and see you soon.